Andrea Bocelli concert and thermal spa in Tuscany. This tour will take you to Pisa, Forte de Marme, one of the most wonderful beaches. You can appreciate a beautiful sunset along these beaches. After the sunset, you can watch the moonrise. Enjoy watching people walking by, and the shopping in the shoe factory becomes amazing. You can choose from many choices, and the prices are excellent. All sort of types and colors, and our friends can tell you that. We also will visit Lucca, and we will stay there a couple of nights to enjoy the vibes. In Lucca, we will have the Puccini concert, the symphony, just for us, front row. Enjoy Tuscany landscape, and in Casciana Terme, we have the thermal spa. These beautiful installations with a spa, open spas, open pools, and also indoor. You can schedule spa, massages, and many other therapy. This is the hotel in Casciana Terme, the pool, the welcome drinks. Casciana Terme will welcome you as one of the locals. Visit this beautiful town when you can be friends with the restaurants and have an amazing time. The food is magnificent, all Tuscan side. Then we will go to Lajatico, which is the hometown for Andrea Bocelli. We will be going to the concert right after this. We will have an excellent sitting. Andrea Bocelli is amazing. You have to come over and join us to see his concert, to enjoy Tuscany, his hometown, to feel and taste and sense everything about Tuscany. Join us, and I promise you to have an amazing week and many memories to come. See you there.